Houston. Weather message for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Butler and Lawrence. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Butler County and west central Pennsylvania, southwestern Clarion County and west central Pennsylvania, northern Lawrence County and western Pennsylvania, southern Mercer County and northwest Pennsylvania, southwestern Venango County and northwest Pennsylvania until 10:30 p.m. At 9:40 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Hermitage, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Sharon, Hermitage, Fayette, Pulaski, Fredonia, New Wilmington, Newcastle, Mercer, Stoneborough, Harlansburg, Grove City, Slippery Rock. This will impact the following highways: Interstate 376 between mile markers 4 and 14. Interstate 79 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 100 and 127. Interstate 80 between mile markers 1 and 44. This is a dangerous storm. If you are in its path, prepare immediately for damaging wind, destructive hail, and frequent cloud-to-ground lightning. Move to shelter, preferably inside a strong building, but away from windows. Please report hail, strong winds, or wind damage to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-877-633-6772.